Oh! Oh! Hit him again. Hey, good morning, guys. I'll tell you right now, I'm not going to be out here too long because it is hot. Wind's starting to blow, but real quick, check this out. The Heritage Barkeep. I just picked this up, brand new, haven't shot it yet. My dealer had one. I looked at it, handled it, fell in love with it, so bam, here we are. I've got my son over here. We're gonna just put some rounds through this. I'm gonna show you a short clip just so you can see what this is all about, and then we're gonna come back and do some shooting. Okay, here's the box it comes in. You know what I really like though? Look at this. Made in the USA, Bainbridge, Georgia. So what do we got here? Ah, look at that little beauty, huh? And I'll talk about this here in just a moment. But let's pull this out. This does come, of course, with all the paperwork. Comes with a lock. And some of these come with a 22 Magnum cylinder, which would be right here. Mine just came with the 22 long rifle. But, oh, look at that. I tell you what, I really love the looks of this. I love the feel of it. It's not too big. It's not too light. Feels really good in the hands. Man, I'll tell you what. Just so far, I'm just really loving it. This is single action, and it is unloaded. 6-shot. It does have a hammer block right here, otherwise known as a safety. See this little red dot? That means it is ready to fire. If you want to put this on safe, just flip this up and it blocks the hammer. As you can see right there, the hammer block, that is fire, that is on safe. So make sure you use that. This one has a 2 5/8 inch barrel, chambered in 22 long rifle. I'll show you the cylinder here. You can see right here it says 22 LR, long rifle. And while we're here, let's just take a close-up look. Man, I'll tell you, I love those grips. Look at that. And let's see. Heritage, Bainbridge, Georgia. It says here on the barrel. Let's see if we can see that. I'm going to get a little more light in here. Heritage Barkeep 22 caliber. It also says empty or keep empty chamber under hammer. Okay. If you're going to carry this, you want to carry it with 5 rounds in it, with an empty chamber underneath the hammer, and it explains that in the manual. But let me show you real quick. If you're going to just load this up and shoot it, put 6 rounds in it and shoot it. But if you're going to carry it, one empty chamber underneath the hammer. And the way you do that, pull back the hammer 2 clicks, which frees up the cylinder. So what you want to do is you want to load 1 round, skip 1 round, and then load the next 4 rounds, close the gate, pull the hammer back, gently lower it with the safety engage, of course, and that will put you on an empty chamber. This is brand spanking new. I haven't fired it. The only thing I've done so far is I've taken out the cylinder. I've cleaned all 6 chambers. I have run a patch down the bore, and you know what? I think it's pretty much ready to fire. You know, basically, again, to load this, pull the hammer back 2 clicks, open up the loading gate, load your rounds. Very simple. I'm not going to show you how to do it. I'm going to assume you already know how to load a single action. Put your rounds in here, close the gate, fire the gun. When you're done, again, 2 clicks, open up the gate, and use this little guy right here to eject your fired cases. Yes, it's a little slow to load, it's slow to unload, but you know what? I have a feeling this is going to be a fun little plinker. Again, this is 22 long rifle, but I can order a 22 Magnum cylinder from Heritage for 30 bucks. Look at that, with free shipping, as long as I do it online. I'm just going to put that cylinder back in, and then gonna shut up and shoot. That's what we like to do around here. See how simple that was? All right, just one more close look here before we start shooting. And of course, it has very simple, crude sights on it. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Let's go shoot it. Okay, so again, I haven't shot it, so I'm going to shoot this at about 10 yards just to see where it's hitting. And I've got some Federal target grade ammo. Don't know if that's going to make much difference in this, but so let's shoot this at about 10 yards and see what happens. Well, definitely shooting to the left and maybe just a smidgen high. You want to zoom in on that, son? Now, in the owner's manual, Heritage says to adjust that front sight, you can bend it a little bit. So since it's shooting to the left, I'm going to bend this front sight just a little bit to the left. I don't have anything with me to do that now, so just going to have to compensate, aim a little to the right, but it does look like it might be tilted a little to the right, so we'll straighten that out and we'll see what happens, but I'll have to do that at a later date. I want a retake.
Nice shooting.
Okay, son, you're up.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Son, remember that's shooting to the left, okay?
Okay.
All right, nice.
Yeah, definitely shooting to the left.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Oh. Fucking safety. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I hate that thing.
I was just not used to that.
Oh, first shot.
First shot. I was aiming probably 8 inches to the right.
First shot. Good job, son.
Thank you.
You know, with most firearms, you don't want to dry fire them. And Heritage distinctly says in their manual, do not dry fire this. If you do, you will damage the cylinder and the firing pin, and it will void the warranty. So do not dry fire. Yeah. I love doing that. Time to make it snow. Oh! Hit him again, son. There you go. Yeah!
Busted him.
Yep, got it good. Hey guys, we're gonna hang it up. It's getting pretty hot right now. I do have earplugs in, by the way. And last night I did order a 22 Magnum cylinder for this. So once that gets in, I'll put it in here. We'll come out here. I'll tweak that front sight a little bit, and we'll shoot this again. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time. Look at this little beauty right here, huh? The Heritage Barkeep. You know, I've debated for many years whether or not to get a Heritage and a son of a Joe Biden. Take 3.